everyone, welcome to IntelliSkills. In this video, which is our second tutorial, we are going to write our very first program in IntelliJ, or you can say in Java. In this video, we are going to write our first program. As I said, we are going to print a statement, and in the last, there is a small question answer session which will contain only MCQs. This session you can find in each and every video of ours, as well as in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch. The MCQs of this video will be related to the topic of this video itself. So before proceeding to the MCQ, please do watch the video, and after that you can go. I'm very excited to proceed. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before writing the code, we need to activate the main method. It is a method or a function which activates the code that we write. Let's type main here. Everything will be updated on its own if we type only main. It's a feature of IntelliJ. We don't need to write public static void main. It will automatically appear for us. Our code is going to be inside these two curly braces which are highlighted right now, okay? In our first program, we are going to print a simple sentence that is hello Java. Let's write system dot. We use the dot operator to call something, okay? So using the dot operator, we are going to call a field called out. Then we are going to use the dot operator again to call the println method. A method is a thing that performs a particular function in Java. Like println over here prints the thing that we write in between those parentheses. Okay, here we need to press Ctrl on our keyboard and then press on system first. So here you can see system is also a public class. System is also a class. Let's go back here. Again press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on out. You can see that out is a field of the system class. Next, press Ctrl and click on println. You can see println is a method of print stream. Don't dig deeper now. You will get to know about all of these very soon, step by step. Now let's come into these parentheses. If we write hello Java simply here, it will create an error. Whenever we write something, we print a statement, sentence, word or anything, we need to write it inside double quotations. Now if we write hello Java, it will not create any error. This is how we print a statement. Now we have to run our program. You can see this button here. You have to click on this, and here we have printed our statement hello Java. And this is our first program that we wrote. The first question is, which of the following is the correct syntax for the main method in the Java program? Let me tell you the differences. In the first one, the M in main is capitalized. In the second one, the square brackets are present after string. And in the third one, the square brackets are present after argument. The options are A, all are correct, B, only 2 is correct, C, 2 and 3 are correct, 4, 1 and 2 are correct. The correct answer is 2 and 3 are correct, because we can place the square brackets after string and after argument as well. Next question. Which of the following is a common convention in naming the Hello World program in Java? Option A, program.java, B, hello.java, C, main.java, D, helloworld.java. The correct option is option number D, helloworld.java. Next question. What is the purpose of the main method in a Java program? Option A, to provide the entry point for the program. B, to declare variables and constants. C, to create objects and classes. D, to handle users' input and output. The correct option is option number A, to provide the entry point for the program. I hope you understood this first program. So let's meet in the next tutorial with Java comments.